In this video, I going to start installing Exchange window Exchange server. And to do this, first of all, we're gonna install the Active Directory domain services. And to do that, we can do it from here to add rows. We can just click here. That's what we're gonna do. Gonna wait. Okay, the window came up. We click on Nets right away. And the first thing that we're gonna do is Active Directory domain services. It's the second one in the row. We click that one, and we also gonna do the DNS server and also the .NET framework. But the DNS server, I don't think it's able to do it before we install Active Directory domain services. Should appear, yeah, warning that says that it's not possible. I click Nets, and here I just need to click install, and now wait. Okay, the installation of Active Directory was completed. I'm gonna click on close. And now I'm gonna go to install the domain controller. I'm gonna do that. There's different ways to do it, but I'm just gonna write click here and write DC promo. Let's see if it start appearing. Promo right there is running, and this is the wizard right here. Here ask me if I want to use advanced mode installation. We're just going to the regular installation. We're gonna click next, and here it says choose a deployment configuration. You can create a domain controller from an existing forest or a new forest. We're gonna create a new forest, and we gonna need to put the name of the new forest root domain. And for me, I gonna put something short like Carlos dot local, or we can put, for example, carlos.com also. I just gonna leave it like that, carlos.com. We're gonna click next. Generally, some people put just something a little bit longer, but we're gonna just leave it like that. Is here is asking us for the forest functional level. I'm gonna put it to 2008 because in this network there is no more servers. Anyways, and the DNS that we haven't installed yet, now we can install it together because before we couldn't. Now we can just leave that check and click on next. Yes, I will use a dynamically assign IP address, or no, I will assign an IP address to all physical network adapters. I'm gonna put no, I will assign IP address. Okay, in this part right here, I'm gonna pause and go to my network adapter and configure that first. Already configured my network connections. If it give me a problem, I just click on yes, assign IP address. Let's see. Okay, so I'm in DNS configuration. And the installation is being completed. And afterwards, the only thing that we're gonna need to do is to do the TCP port sharing center, and we do that next. Okay, before the installation is completed, gave me now the error of the directory domain service installation wizard, I'm gonna click, do you want to continue? Yes, because I'm gonna configure that later. And now it's gonna ask me also, it's gonna ask me for a password, I think. Afterwards we click next. Yes, the password right here. And here you want to put a strong password. Um, for that, then we're gonna do another video about password security, how to break them, and why it's so important to have um, a long password with different type of characters and uppercase letters. For now, I'm just gonna put one. Let's see, a phrase. We put the same thing here. And click next. Next. Waiting for the DNS installation to finish. We can click here to reboot on completion, because anyways is need, we really need the computer to reboot. Like that, all the configurations, the computer take all the configurations that we just made. And also they can be pushed if we do this every time, doesn't matter how we do it. Like for example, if we have a domain and computers connected to the domain, like that, the computers get the new configuration and they get pushed to them. Would be good to um, restart the computer. Also, there's a few commands that we can put like that to push new configurations to other computers. And now we just click finish, and we're gonna restart the machine. Click on restart, and it's going to start restarting the machine. Now um the machine is starting to restart, just starting right now. We're waiting for the restarting process to complete. Okay, now that the computer just restarted um, efficiently, I'm gonna go and finish all the installation of what we were doing. We're gonna add a new role. We can do it through here too. Just wait. We click on Nets, and the role that we wanna add is the web server IIS. That one is needed to be able, is required for the Exchange server to function correctly. And we click on next, see the other options right here. We're saying a common HTTP features, redirection. We can add the application development like ASP.NET, .NET extensibility, and this is very good for if we are working with developers. Also, the security, some of the security features like IIS clients certificate mapping authentication. That was pretty good. Windows authentication, basic authentication, client certified mapping. We can put all of them anyways. And we're gonna leave it like that. Gonna put FTP server and the management console. Click on Next, and we click on Install and wait for the installation to complete. Installation was completed. We can close. And now we're gonna go to start, and here we can write services. Services, and go to Terminal Services Manager. Okay, it's not here that I wanted to go. Close this. We're gonna go back. Services, services, right here. That's what I wanted. Just a little bit ago, I didn't see it. And here on services, we're going to scroll down and try to see if we can find NetTCP. Well, the N is right here. We need to find NetTCP Port Sharing Center. And this one's supposed to be here. It's not here. I'm gonna just finish this video here and continue in the next one with installing NetTCP Port Sharing Center and installing Exchange Server 2010.